The rotating clamps for the PantoRouter have been a game changer, and since we introduced them, we found many other uses for them, as you'll see later in this video. We created this extension rod that can be used in different ways to mount the clamp on your workbench, drill press, table saw, miter saw, and sliding table saw, and they can be used in either the lever clamp or the air clamp mode. The uses just seem endless. The standard PantoRouter table mount shaft is removed in exchange for the extension shaft, and in this case, we want the long threaded section down. Push it up through a dog hole in your bench and reassemble the clamp to hold it securely to the bench. Be sure to use most of the threads on the top, since this long thread adds strength to the clamp. Two clamps are better than one, and since these are so fast to deploy, it's easy to get superior holding power for even the simplest operation. The only thing faster and more fun than using two rotating lever clamps on your bench is using two rotating air clamps. We turned the air clamp controller upside down and mounted it to one of the clamps. It's easy to get to and fast. For these next operations, we installed the shaft with a long threaded section up, then used an M6 screw and washers modified to fit the various applications. When the shaft is in this inverted position, the shaft doesn't fit through the hole in the air control mounting bracket, so we drilled it out using a 5/16 or 8mm bit. Enlarging this hole will not affect the operation of the switch on the PantoRouter table. If you end up using this configuration frequently, you might consider ordering additional shafts that you can cut down to the best length for the tool that you use it on. We like to position the air clamp arm so the pressure foot is about an inch above the workpiece. Mounting on the table saw sled makes fast work when cutting multiple pieces or making multiple cuts on a single piece. Both air and lever clamp options mount on the same clamp base, so you could use either one. For the sled mount, we recess the mounting screw in the underside. When we build another sled, we'll use a thicker base to get a bit more meat for the clamps, since these clamps have tremendous clamping pressure. Mounting these clamps to the miter saw was a revelation. The PantoRouter rotating clamps are so much better than the clamps that come with most miter saws, and we use them much more frequently, which is much safer operation. Both the air and the lever clamps work extremely well. John Henry drilled a section of steel bar to fit the metric T-track on his sliding table saw. He mounted 2 air-operated rotating clamps. Notice the clamp closest to the operator has been shortened, since this is the one that's dedicated to the table saw. He'll shorten the other one soon. If you don't already have rotating clamps for the PantoRouter, or if you don't have a PantoRouter but see the many uses for the rotating clamps, go to our website at PantoRouter.com and click the Buy Now button. All of the clamp options are near the top of the page. Happy PantoRouting!